Hey, what's up? It is Sylvia Curatini here. Chances are you're watching this video because you either want to work from home, make money online, or even be your own boss. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children. I have my very own affiliate marketing online business that allows me to earn money in the comfort of my own home. I got started with my online business in December of 2020. I got my very first commission the first week that I got started. Everyone's results varies. Your results depend on your efforts, so the more effort that you apply to your online business, then the higher the chance you will get to receive a commission. So before we actually get into this video, please make sure that you like this video, give a huge thumbs up so that I know that you're liking the content that I put out for you, and be sure to drop a comment below. Then make sure that you do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Alright, so what I do to make money online is I simply promote digital products for other companies in exchange for commission. So therefore, I don't have to create any products. I do not have to worry about shipping the products whatsoever, and I don't even have to worry about having an inventory. The product that I'm currently promoting right now is a done-for-you sales funnel that consists of multiple income streams. You are not obligated to join all of the income streams at once. It is just encouraged so that you can maximize your earning potential. With this done-for-you sales funnel, you will get access to done-for-you capture pages and done-for-you websites. So if you're not tech savvy whatsoever, this is perfect for you because the websites and capture pages will be done for you as soon as you have access to this system. You would also get access to proven traffic sources. So when you're getting into the online marketing space, there are people who are out there who try to sell you garbage traffic, and you want high quality leads consistently going to your link, going to your website. You do not want any garbage traffic because that's basically a waste of time and waste of money. So with this system, you do not have to worry about high quality traffic. It's already proven traffic sources within the system, so that you'll be able to get inside and get that traffic running to your website. You will also get access to trainings with 6- and 7-figure earners where you'll be able to ask them exactly what they're doing, be able to ask questions with anything that you may have concern with or need help with, and just be able to see what they do on a day-to-day basis to get the results that they're receiving. You will also get access to our super supportive Facebook community. Inside the Facebook community, you'll get access to our daily wake-up calls, which are held from Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And this is, where you'll get your updates within the system, our challenges that are going on, prizes, giveaway, free traffic, any success tips on email marketing, any golden nuggets. Just definitely want to plug into the Facebook community once you're inside this system because it's so powerful. You have your other members in there who are showing their results, and with those results you can use it to leverage for your online business. You can be able to ask questions in there as well. You can be able to look at other people's questions to reference their questions, see what people are saying. You definitely do want to get involved because it's everybody from old to new entrepreneurs, everyone from all levels of experience within the group. With this system, it allows you to learn affiliate marketing and earn with affiliate marketing at the same time. This is why this system is very beginner friendly and why anyone can get started with making money online with affiliate marketing. You are able to set your own hours. You work your online business when it is beneficial for you because it is made to work with your lifestyle and not against your lifestyle. With affiliate marketing, you also have unlimited earning potential. There is no cap on the amount of money that you can earn. And that right there is amazing because, with your 9-to-5, there is a cap. There is an end point. You know what I mean? With affiliate marketing and having your online business, there is no cap. There is no, someone putting a stopper to the amount of money that you can make. And then also with this system, if you get 3 sales within your first 30 days, then you can win free traffic to your Done For You website. So if you're interested in earning and learning with affiliate marketing, you want to click the link that is going to be below this video. You're going to watch the video and you're going to create your account so that you'll be able to have access to your own members area. Once you created your account, once you're able to log in and you do have access to your members area, the first thing you want to do on that main page is complete those steps 1 through 4. These 4 steps are very crucial to your online business and need to be completed in order for you to start making affiliate commissions. So the first step will be to watch the overview video and for you to join that Facebook community. Then step number 2 will be you setting up all of your income streams. And remember, I did mention you are not obligated to start with all of the income streams. It's just encouraged for you to stretch yourself as far as possible, because the more income streams that you invest in is the more chances of commissions that you may earn. Step number 3 will be setting up your e-wallet, and this is how you get paid for income stream number 1 and income stream number 4. So be sure to set those e-wallets up so that you can start getting those commissions as well. Then step number 4 will be to watch the video of the back tour of the back office, and that's just teaching you how to navigate through your system so that you can go through your members area with ease. When all of your steps are completed, those steps 1 through 4, then you want to head over to the links tab so that you can grab your Done For You link of your liking to start driving that consistent traffic. You can drive consistent traffic to your Done For You website in 2 ways. One of them is organically through social media accounts where you can grow your online business, and platforms you can use are Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, and so much more. These are all social media platforms that you can be able to access, get a free account today to start promoting your website. Then you can drive traffic with paid advertising with those proven traffic sources that are within your system. So one of them that is in the system is called Traffic Authority, which will be income stream number 4. This is where you can buy high quality traffic packages to go directly to your Done For You website. So right there, that's powerful. A proven traffic package you can purchase to drive high quality traffic leads, and then you're able to earn a commission from this same exact income stream up to $3,200. So when you have an unlimited earning potential, this is extremely powerful. So to have an income stream where you can earn up to $3,200 per sale and to have no cap on it, it's a win-win situation. Then my next recommendation would be to head over to the resources tab within your members area, because in there you'll have access to the trainings, to the 7 steps to success with this system, to see the recordings of previous trainings that we do every Monday at 5 p.m. at Eastern Time, where we, interview other members and we see what results, how they get the results, be able to ask them questions. And if you go there and you see the recordings, you'll see that I've been interviewed 2 separate times. So you can be able to look and reference those 2 separate times that I have been interviewed and see how I'm going out there and working my business and getting those results. And also under the resources tab are email swipes, banner ads, creatives, graphics, and so much other tools in order for you to help you to have your own successful online business. I'm here to tell you that I'm literally living proof that this online business works and you can build a very successful online business with this system. You just honestly need to make that decision for yourself. If you want to change your financial situation or even increase your income, you have to invest in yourself. Do it for you. Do it for your family. Do it for whatever your why is. You will literally thank your future self later for it. by simply taking action right now. So like I mentioned to you before, if you want instant access to the same exact system that I am using to make money online from several different income streams and earning passive income every single Friday, and other people are using, literally thousands of other people, other affiliates, other members are using around the world to make money online, you want to click the link that is below this video. You do not want to miss out on this life-changing opportunity.